First, let's create our animated object. In this case, it is just a circle, but it can be anything. Now let's duplicate this layer or create a new one. On this new one, move the object a little bit, like in a stop-motion movie. You can also change the transparency a little, so you see what was on the last frame. Now repeat this step for every frame of the animation later. Once you have all the single layers, click on Window and choose Timeline. In the center of the new window, there is a drop-down menu. Go for Create Frame Animation and hit the button. Now click on the menu in the upper right corner of the window and choose Make Frames from Layers. Change how many times you want to loop it and hit the play button. To export the GIF, go to File, Export and click on Save for Web. Change the format to GIF. Hopefully this helps, and if you need additional information or tips and tricks, then check the description below. Good luck!